Hello gentle people, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. I haven't shown my face in quite some time. I just wanted to chat a little bit this time. I won't carve anything, sadly. But yeah, I've been close to 500 subscriber on the channel, which is super cool. I'm halfway to 1,000. I am, let me check, currently sitting at 499. That's good. I was at 497 this morning. So yeah, one more. And then we'll get to 500, which means absolutely nothing, apart from like what I said. It's halfway to 1,000, which means something in YouTube term. I was not expecting my channel to grow, well, that fast, quote unquote. In the last couple of months. I mean, I don't exactly remember when, but before I started, posting carving videos, I was at like 84, I think, or something like that. So that's pretty cool. I'm really happy. Thanks to all of you, the one who come back, the one who comments. It's super cool. Also, there's still many people who poke me on Instagram with their carving in either private message or straight tagging me on their stories or in their posts in general. That is really cool. It's super great that a beginner like me can inspire more people to carve. Also on that note, it's not exactly 1 year, but I started carving in July last year. I posted my first video. No, I posted my first carving on Instagram on the 28th of July 2020. There's a big bumblebee there on the tomato plant. That's cool. Yes, on the 28th of July, and that's when I've done my first. Now it's in my face. Am I disturbing you, bumblebee? Yeah, my first wood spirit that I've done, I posted that on Instagram 20th of July, like I was saying. And yeah, it was the beginning of my carving journey, I guess. That's what COVID has done for a lot of us, I guess. We started doing things we never thought we would do, I guess. I had my flex cut set that I had from home in Canada way back. And I was just like, yeah, why not, right? I was checking a couple of videos on YouTube, and then I found Vladimir from Homewood Spirit. I think that's the name, Homewood Spirit. Yeah, something like that. And he had this super awesome beginner tutorial video to make a wood spirit, and I was like, I think I can do that. So I had like a couple of Norwegian spruce log thing, plank that I had in my apartment back then. I took the piece, cut it up a little bit, and then I just followed the tutorial, and that was it. I made my first carving that looked like something. That is really great. We can probably all relate to that. The first thing you do that looks like something is that's a good feeling. So yeah, I kept on carving little faces from different style and adding some more smiles to them or everything. And the goal was always to carve medieval / Viking related stuff. And I do Viking reenactment here in Sweden, and at one market I saw this guy. I think his nickname is Aldrogas or Aldogats or something like this. I will put an image here. And like Doug Linker said in one of his, I think, Q&A video last year or at the beginning of the year, he went into something like, you never know you want to be a wood carver before you see someone wood carve. This is so true, because I was at this Viking market and I saw this guy. He does Viking god pole from all the Viking Norse god, and his work is just amazing. I will put some image there just for you to see. And yeah, I saw that and I was like, that's it. I want to carve. I want to wood carve. So yeah, that's how it started. and then from time to time I moved from faces to full body carving. And then I discovered flat plane carving. Interestingly enough, since I'm living in Sweden now, that's a really Scandinavian way of carving, which is great. And yeah, I started looking on more videos on YouTube to find more, well, tutorial or just 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 how, you know, how to do stuff. And there's not a lot of us, I have to say. Obviously, I found Doug Linker, the the master of YouTube, another fly, into whittling, that everybody knows. But through Doug, I found Gene Messer, the true first YouTuber. Probably he has, I don't know, many videos. I was in the Internal Association of Wood Carving the other day, and he has like 2,000 something videos. It's just crazy. So yeah, I found Gene Messer, because, and it was super great because like all of us, we all have different styles to some extent. You know, Doug is super focused on gnome in general and other little things. Gene is really loves hobos. He carves a lot of cool hobos. He's super good at flat plating. And then from Doug, I also found Kevin Coates, fellow Canadian. You probably all know Kevin. He does amazing carvings. He never talks. I don't know. I don't think he ever talked in one of his videos. I probably watch every single one of them. And he does really good stuff. And then I started, like, you know, trying to find more people, and I found Alaska Woodchuck. I found Jeff Rocarve, fellow Jeff. I found Basswood Carving also, and there's a lot more. Well, there's Vladimir from Homewood Spirit also that I talked at the beginning, obviously, which is thanks to Vladimir. If you ever see that, because of you, I started carving. I found something that I could do. This is amazing. And yeah, and then from time to time, you know, Instagram and stuff, I discovered, František Bedugevic. Sorry about probably destroying his name, that I talked before. It's my true, real inspiration. Obviously, all my carvings are like his, but less great. Um, this Russian carver is just so good. So yeah, I that's where I'm at now. A year later, I'm carving way more Viking related stuff. A little bit of video games, or you know, I've carved Hellboy, I've carved a Mega Man also. I've carved Solaire from Dark Soul. For anyone, I don't know if you know that. I still want to carve different things. I would love to, like, I have a couple of friends who asked me to carve like Stormtrooper or the Doom guy or anything like that. We'll see. My talent is still fairly limited. Whenever I want to try to do something new, I usually fail. But yeah, you know, I ran out of wood not so long ago, so that's why the videos were fairly thin. I carved with alder. It's great. I like the wood. The finish with oil is really nice, but it's not like basswood. The wood splinters so much. Um, it's a little bit harder also. Hello, Crow. But yeah, it's not too bad. But thanks to a friend of mine, I got a lot of basswood. Well, lind here in Sweden. You can see with the image there. I got 520 perfectly cut square pieces of 1.5 by 1.5 by 3 inches. So I have, you know, I was kind of joking because I usually do one carving per week. So I have, well, 10 years of carving now. Probably more because I won't be as afraid of failing a carving to lose the wood now. So I will be probably trying more things and probably trash them if it just doesn't work. I carved a little thing yesterday and I failed, and I just trash it and I carved another thing again. So it's not too bad. Yeah, apart from that, really, I have a lot of wood. I still use my amazing Sergei Belov knives. Uh, I'll put a link to its Etsy in the description again. Amazing knives if you're ready to wait because he doesn't have knives already done. He does them on order. It's from Russia, so you know it took me, I don't know, I think it took like few months, I think, to get them, but like it's well worth it. The quality is so great, it's really up there. um, so yeah, the goal is to release one video per week if I can. I really want to push for YouTube. I like it. It's great to do carving videos. My no talking, no tutorial video are not that popular, but like I said before, it's fine. Sometimes I just don't want to talk. I just want to focus on the carving. Sometimes I do it and then I talk over, but it takes quite a lot of time to make the video, and uploading takes hours. Um, but yeah, I will see. I will just keep posting things. Like, you know, this video right now, I don't think that will get a lot of clicks, and that's fine. I'm not doing it for that. But I will just do more. The thing is, like, it's kind of hard to, you know, I just want to carve little Viking dudes, but I feel that at some point it's not like people would want to see something else, just not me carving the same thing over and over. But I kind of like carving these little Viking dudes, you know, and varying a little bit from time to time. A hood, no hood, an axe, a sword, a shield, no shield, a shield in the back. Like the last one I've done with a little sickle. I was like, yeah, why not making a little farmer, right? So I think I don't know. You can tell me in the comment if you don't mind. I don't mind. I will just keep posting videos, I guess, because people seem to be enjoying it anyway. At least the one where I talk, they get more clicks and views. So that's what it is right now. I think I've carved little gnomes. I've carved gnomes. A thing that I never really thought I would do because everybody's carving gnomes, and then I will be honest, I understand why people carve gnomes because it's genuinely fun. I carved a little face with giant hat. Like I've carved these two little guys. They're kind of cute, you know. Really simple. I wanted to try to find a video after a year, if I could make a video like Vladimir has done for his wood spirit. Something that anybody could do with a knife and a piece of wood. I think this one will do. It's like a mix of my Viking faces with my signature triangle cut on each side of the beard, with a big hat, and it's you know, it's fairly it's flat plane, and there's the big cuts and the fabric, you know, the thing I do usually, and with a big nose and the cheeks. That's my usual classic style also that I do on all my dudes. I think I will make a little tutorial out of that for next weekend, I guess, if I stick to one video per week. And yeah, you know, I started doing this channel with my partner, and we were doing hiking videos and stuff, and you know, I kind of stopped because it takes so much energy to make 10 minutes of content. It's so it's fun to hike, but it's not that great to just stop every couple of meters to do B-rolls and having me walking or whatever, and or my partner or something like that. It's just like it takes hours and hours to make just a little bit of content. Carving is easier for that, and it's way more popular from what I understand because there's so many hikers anyway on YouTube. There's just like the market is oversaturated anyway, so my little beginner hiking thing was not that great. But yeah, carving is fairly niche, but there's not that many of us doing tutorial videos, and especially whittlers, because yes, there's all these amazing people carving with chainsaws or creating these amazing piece of art, but yeah, that's not for beginners. Let's put it lightly. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at. 500 subs in one subscriber. Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. We'll see. Road to 1,000 is on the way. 1 year of carving. It's great. It's kind of cool to look at my little shelf of carvings and see how I evolved. Also, I sold maybe 15, I think, or 16 of them. I took my first commission not so long ago, the Hellboy that I carved. If you've been on my Instagram, that was my first commission, and a person really loved it. That is super cool. I didn't know I could put that up, but you know, I had a lot of detail and everything, and yeah, that's cool. You know, it's great. That pays for the wood, literally. I never thought I never thought anyone would be interested into buying my little thing, but looks like it was interesting some people. So yeah, I think that's my little rambling. Yeah, if you're still here, thanks for watching. Maybe I'll do more vlogs in the future. I have no idea. I still want to do some walk and carve. This video was supposed to be in the forest, but I just came out of the forest and there was so many mosquitoes that I was like, yeah, I will do that in my front porch instead. So there's a little bit of plants and nature at least. So yeah, we'll see what future unfold. But yeah, if you don't mind seeing me carving Viking dudes over and over, just tell me down in the comments. That's really good. Keep poking me on Instagram, showing me what you've done with my little tutorial and things. That's always great. Gives a lot of inspiration. It's all worth it. There's a lot of people who left great comments also in my former videos. It's so good for you know, self-confidence. That is super nice. So yeah, see you in the next little gnome head big hat carving video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.